Finally, yes! The best video editing software 2021. I've been waiting for something like this to come along for a long time, and finally we have it. This online video editing software comes complete with everything you will need, whether you want to be in front of the camera or you want to make videos where you don't want to be in front of the camera and you just want to use stock footage. It even comes with automated text-to-speech and convert your script blog post to speech. If you've been watching my channel for some time, or if you're new here and you go back and look at some of the videos, you'll see that the whole channel is based on helping you get online with video. And I've been searching for a solution that will make it the easiest way possible to create videos and everything in one place. Whether you want to face the camera or you want to be behind the camera and just create content for social media and you never want to show your face on camera, whatever you want to do, it's all about creating video. And finally, we've found a solution that will solve the problem, make it easier to help you get online with video. This is ideal whether you want to make videos for YouTube or any social media platform. When InVideo reached out to me and asked me to have a look at their platform, told me some of the features on there and explained it, I thought, let me have a look, see what it's about, because I need something, I'm sure you do, that does everything in one place, so you don't have to jump around with your editing. You can do the whole lot there. So I had a look. Now they're actually sponsoring today's video, but after having a look into it, I found it does everything I need. If you're like me, what you need to do is edit videos as efficiently as possible, not jump around and try and find different assets. So I had a look and I was happy to say, yes, let me create this video and show viewers exactly what InVideo is all about. So in this video, we're going to run through some key features of InVideo. The great thing about InVideo is that you decide what style of video that you can create. Everything is completely customizable. You can create gold standard videos in minutes, even if you don't know how to edit. That's how simple it is. Let's not waste any time. Let's dive straight into InVideo and let me show you some of the features and the benefits that you will get to help you create some professional videos in no time. Once you're inside, the first thing you'll need to do is to create an account. Now you can create an account and you can access all of the premium features that includes all of the stock videos, stock photos, stock music. You can access all of those features for as little as $10 a month using the discount code DES25 to access 25% off. Now you've created your account, you'll be able to see how easy it is to use and how well laid out it actually is. For our first step, we need to decide what type of video do you want to create. You can choose a category here, search for the most popular, or you can click view all here. Next, you can choose from either a pre-made template. This has over 4,000 plus templates to choose from. You can either choose text to video. Here you can import text from a blog post or a transcript from a podcast and create a video from that. More about that later. Or you can go from a blank canvas and start from scratch. In this video, we're going to be using the pre-made template. I'm going to create a professional end screen for my YouTube channel. The same principle applies for making any video inside of InVideo. When making videos, you can access a stock library of more than 10 million assets from premium sources such as Shutterstock or iStock. You can use the search bar here to find a suitable template. I'm going to be using the YouTube end screen, so I'm going to search YouTube end screen and you can see how it already populates the search field. Now I'm able to use the super powerful yet intuitive editor in the timeline, which you can see here, to change every element of the video. The timeline also has a template switching so that you don't have to restart the project from scratch. How good is that? I like this particular template here, but I want to change the profile picture over here on the left, plus I want to change some words. Changing elements is as simple as dragging and dropping. So you want to upload your own elements? No problem. Use the upload feature on the left, select what you want to upload from your computer, and then it will upload into your uploads folder. I'm going to drag the picture, then it will ask me to replace or add a new layer. I'm replacing the image in this example. You can integrate any of the elements you see here on the left. As you can see, you can also change the templates without having to restart. You can also upload any of your own media. You can add your own videos, images. You can also use the stock music, text, folders, stickers, overlays, and social media icons. If you want to create video professionally, quickly, and effectively, and have all of your assets in one place, then InVideo is a fantastic place that you can do all of that. Editing any elements in InVideo is simple. Literally, everything snaps together, and you also get a guideline to understand where one element ends and one starts. Super easy. You can adjust the elements by simply dragging it forward or backwards. Once you've completed your video, simply click on the download and share button on the top right and download your new video. That's how easy it is. Have you ever created video where you've gone and had to search for an icon or an image or some stock music? Well, if that's you, then you don't need to look any further. All of that is taken care of here. Everything is in one place. You can simply select the media type on the left here and then search for whatever genre of music or video that you require, and then simply drag that over to the timeline and adjust the length. It's as simple as that. All your assets in one place. Create professional ads, create engaging video for social media, create YouTube videos, create videos for TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Pinterest, and more from one platform. Before InVideo contacted me, I was already paying an equivalent of $13 for a stock footage subscription service. You can sign up, you can get all of your footage in one place, music, stock footage for B-roll, all in one place. Subscription starting at $10 a month. If you use the discount code DES25 and use the link that's in the description and it's on screen now. Another great part of InVideo I have to mention is they have this community of over 20,000 marketing experts and video creators to help you. Now, why I mention the community is because you can now look at other videos, look at other marketing experts if you want to create an ad, if you want to create a content for your social media posts or YouTube or anywhere, you can now look in the community at other creators and look to see what they have done and that has been successful, and also ask questions. So if you're stuck for an idea, for example, you can now go into the community with the subscription and ask questions and also see what they have done. Have you seen a platform as good as this? Wait, it gets better. If you have a script or blog post and you don't want to put your face on camera, you can use the automated text to script function. This will convert your voice into one of 28 variations of language in male or female voice. This software is the best software I have seen to date. I've been waiting a long time and I've reviewed quite a few. You can try it free for 14 days and experience all the features and create some professional videos. Remember, you can sign up using the link in the description and on screen now, and use the discount code DES25 for 25% off. If you're like me and just want to create video, you want to create as many videos as possible for different social platforms, then you can do all in one place. Sometimes you may want to create an ad, or you want to create video for YouTube, you want to create an end screen, you want to create something for Facebook, you want to create something for TikTok, for Snapchat, for Instagram or Instagram posts. You can do it all here. You can also have over 4,000 templates. You can mix and match, and you can also switch the templates in between. So you don't have to restart and start a new project. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. You want to create professional videos, then consider using InVideo. I'm going to create more videos in this series to help you use the particular platform, because there are a few things believe that you will find extremely beneficial and extremely effective in your content creation. So you don't miss a single video, subscribe, hit the bell icon. I release videos weekly to help businesses, individuals, entrepreneurs, and creators just like yourself get online with video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.